Hello my dears, in this class we are going to discuss the chapter Integers exercise 1.1. Today we can discuss question number 10.1. Okay, question number 10 says that a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Question number 1 says that he jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? See, this is our water tank. These are the steps and this is the final position of our water tank, and that is -9, and there you can see water. Okay, why we have given all the numbers in negative? See, while we were studying integers, we have studied that the upward will be marked by positive integers and downward will be marked by negative integers. Since the steps are inside the water tank, we marked all the steps by negative integers. The question says that whenever the monkey is making a downward jump, that means the jump from -1 to downward, he will cover 3 steps. Since he is making downward jump, it can be denoted by -3. So the downward jump will be denoted by -3. Downward jump is -3. And upward jump, he will cover 2 steps. Whenever he is making an upward jump, he will cover 2 steps. So upward jump will be marked by +2. Okay, we want to find how many jumps are needed to reach to -9. See, we can mark the upward jump by green color and downward jump by red color. Okay, first he is making an downward jump. So 1, 2, 3. See, in the downward jump, he will cover 3 steps. So, after covering 3 steps, he will be reaching in -4. At the same time, he is making an upward jump. How many steps he will cover? 2 steps. So, from -4, he is covering 2 steps upward. Now he is in the position of -2. From -2, again he is making a downward jump and covers 3 steps. Okay, so downward jump. Downward jump can be denoted by the red color. So 1, 2, 3. This is the next jump. This is not 3 jumps. This is single jump. Okay, this is not 2 jump. This is single jump. So he covered 3 steps and he reached in -5. Whenever he is making downward jump, at the same time he will make upward jump and covers 2 steps. So 1, 2. So he reached in -3. Okay, when he is in -3, again he is trying to do downward jump. So 1, now he is in -6. Okay, again, what is his purpose? Upward jump. Do you know the character of monkey? He is not like us. So 1, he covers 2 steps. Now he is in -4. So he is again playing. He is making a downward jump. 1, 2, 3. Now he is in -7. So again he is playing and he is making an upward jump. Now he is in -5, isn't it? He is in -5. Again, downward jump. From -5, 1, 3 steps. Now he is in minus 8. Then upward jump 1, 2. Now he is in minus 6. Then again downward jump 1, 2. Finally we reached in the water level. So we can count how many jumps are needed. See, now we can check how many jumps he need to reach to minus 9. See, this red color is the first jump. So we can mark it by 1. Then green color, next jump. So 2. Then again red color 3. This green 4. This red 5. Fifth jump. Okay, then this one 6th jump. This red color 7th jump. This is 8th jump. And this one is 9th jump. This one is 10th jump. This is the 11th jump. After making 11 jumps, he touched the water. Okay. This is not an easy way while we are doing this problem during our exam. So we want a calculation method. So for the calculation we are saying that, see, first jump. He is starting the first jump from minus 1. So jump number 1. First jump, number of jumps and what we are calculating here. Jump number 1. He is making a jump from minus 1 and 3 steps downward. So it can be marked by negative 3. So minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 1 minus 3 equal to, answer is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2. The answer is minus 2. Here also we got he is in minus 2. Okay, by the third jump, now he is in minus 2. From minus 2 what he is doing? From minus 2 he is making an downward jump. So downward jump can be represented by minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. Here also you can see that he is in minus 5. So from minus 5 what he is doing? He is making an upward jump. So fourth jump is upward, and from minus 5 plus 2. Why? That is an upward jump. So answer is minus 3. After making the upward jump, now he is in minus 3, isn't it? From minus 3, he is making a downward jump. That is a fifth jump. That is downward jump. Then minus 3 minus 3 equal to minus 3 minus 3 equal to minus 6. Now he is in minus 6. Then the sixth jump is upward jump. That is from minus 6 plus 2. Why plus 2? Since that is an upward jump. Upward jump can be denoted by positive integers. Now he will reach in minus 4. Then the seventh jump will be from minus 4 downward jump. Minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 7. Now he is in, after making a downward jump, he has to make an upward jump. So 8th jump should be upward. From minus 7 plus 2 equal to, now this is an upward jump. The next one should be downward. That should be from minus 5 minus 3 equal to minus 8. Now he is in the position of minus 8. That was a downward jump. So 10th jump should be upward. minus 8 plus 2 equal to minus 6. Then the 11th jump, that is from minus 6, and it should be a downward jump, minus 3 equal to minus 9. See, minus 9 is our water level. Now he reached in the water level and he made how many jumps? 11 jumps. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about the first part, you can definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. In the next class, we can discuss the second section. Okay, signing off, Femi Bijoy from Max Ninjas. Thank you all once again.